Welcome to our journey through the psychology of money. Money isn't just about numbers, it's about behavior. Our personal experiences shape how we perceive money. What seems rational to one person might appear crazy to another. Luck and risk play a significant role in success. Bill Gates and Paul Allen's story teaches us that effort alone isn't enough. Patience and compounding are financial superpowers. Small actions today can lead to significant wealth over time. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about freedom and happiness. Prioritize experiences over possessions. Fear of poverty drives irrational decisions. Understand your emotional relationship with money. Adaptability matters. Financial success often comes from flexibility, not rigid plans. Mr. Market is moody. Don't let market fluctuations dictate your emotions. Saying no is powerful. Avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on what truly matters.